Once the love was strong, now I'm slow, long gone. Cause the pain now like a storm. I remain holding on. Cause I won't, cause I won't, I won't, I won't. I've been thinking about you lately. Thoughts take me to when we were close. Addicted to your love, feel I need another dose. I know it's a feeling that should be long gone. Things seem to come up when I hear our song. Golden brown girl, it seems so long since I heard your voice. Where did the king go wrong? Emotions that they linger on. Guess cause I never knew a love so strong. So many hot girls, I need your warm. The taste of your mouth, girl, I need your warm. Good food and love, I need your warm. This hit was made before we were born. A dreamer, so I'ma keep dreaming on. It's kinda like the break of the gin and Vince Vaughn. Strong, now I'm slow, long gone. Cause the pain now like a storm. I remain holding on. Cause I won't, cause I won't, I won't, I won't. Cause I won't, cause I won't, I won't, I won't. They say you don't know what you got, so what you got is gone. Yeah, I like such and such a lot, but the feeling's not as strong. We were like two birds, never able to fly. I try to pick the right words to say to the sky. Some days I was try, but wasn't able to try. I've never been good at saying goodbye. I take a deep breath when the times is hard. When I reminisce over you, my God. I spent many years trying to be the heart throb. I guess it's only right that I got my heart robbed. The scent of a room that reminds me of you. A hint of perfume that reminds me of you. Take a look at the moon that reminds me of you. Hope the stars and the gods align me with you.
Hey guys, it's Brittany and today I have a wig review for you guys. Today's wig review is brought to you by glamtress.com, and the wig that I decided to review for you guys is by Bobbi Boss, and this is in the style M711 Aura, and I have Aura in the color FL4/1822, and I do have the color that the model has on. So this is what the model looks like on the card. So this style is definitely not something I typically go for. I like longer styles, and I usually don't go for this kind of blonde. So the last time I tried a wig that was short like this and this color was Outre Sammy, and a lot of you guys really liked how I looked with that style and with that color, and I like how I looked with it too, but I know myself and I know I wouldn't wear it that much, so I did sell that one. So this one is similar to Sammy, but there are some differences. I actually like this one. Is shorter than Sammy is, quite a bit shorter than Sammy is. Well, not that much shorter, but this one is shorter and more cropped than Sammy is. And overall, I like the style of this one more than what Sammy looks like. When I first tried this wig on, which was probably almost a month ago, I really didn't like how it looked, but I knew it had potential. So I got my mascara and I added a dark root so it would blend in with my edges. And I did tweeze some of the parting space, and I feel like it looks pretty good. I think the parting looks pretty good. So this is what the hair looks like if you wear it all out. Like, you can wear it out like that too, which looks pretty cute, but I just feel like it looks more like modern and youthful if it's a little bit like tucked behind your ear a little bit. The cap size on this wig is a medium size cap. It has standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Now, this is a wig where you don't have to cut the lace off because it's like really thick all around the edge, so I can tell this is not a wig that comes with lace. It just has like the faux lace parting area, which is good, so you don't have to worry about cutting the lace. It says that the area where you do have lace, it's Swiss lace parting, and it's 4 inches deep, and it's heat safe, but I haven't put any heat on it. I really like how the style looks on me. I do feel like it kind of ages me a little bit. Like I feel like I look maybe 10 years older than what I am, but it's not bad though. Like I don't feel like I look old, I just feel like I look older. And it's a very cute style. This is a very good hairstyle for this time of year, especially if you live in the South and it's already like, you know, 90 degrees some days. So this could be a really cute style for you guys. Now, if the blonde is too much for you, imagine how natural this would look if you got like a black color, like a 1B or number 2 or something like that. I think this would be super cute. And I might even go back and get this is as a number 2 because I know it's gonna look really natural. Because even as a bold color like this blonde, I feel like it looks pretty natural. Do I have any cons about it? I don't feel like I do. If I do, I'll put it on the screen. So yeah, overall, I think this is cute. This is definitely out of the box for me, but I wanted to showcase something different on my channel. And if you guys did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll have all the purchase links in the description box to where you can purchase it on glamourtrust.com. Shout out to them for sending me another wig to review for you guys. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, turn your notifications. Definitely follow me on Instagram. We have 7 days of school left and I'm going to be dedicating all my time to you guys days. I'm so excited. Yes. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.